you had to explain what music therapy is, how is it different from other modalities like a sound healing, right? So, uh, like, what would be the explanation? What is the science behind it, or like, how do you approach music therapy in general?
Sure. So, you will be very delighted to know that music therapy is an absolute scientifically based, research backed, and evidence based modality, which is implemented in a very structured way.
Mm,
There's a lot of clinical background to a music therapy treatment plan.
mm,
It is customized or individualized because what works for one may not work for another.
mm,
And because music therapy is basically use of music purposefully
mm,
by a trained professional to achieve a certain non-musical goal, like working on physical well-being or management of pain or an emotional need of an individual or a need for general well-being or growth or healing,
mm,
right? So depending on the objective of the client or patient, a music therapy plan is curated accordingly.
mm,
And then comes the whole clinical assessment of what the individual really needs. It could be physiological or psychological.
mm,
Then comes the individual's musical, cultural, religious profiling.
mm,
For example, let's say you belong to a certain culture or a religion, and if I'm going to use a devotional song of some different religion,
mm,
would it connect with you or relate to you?
mm.
Or if you are from a different country,
Correct.
and if I sing India's national anthem,
Mm,
will it stir those emotions or
right.
invoke those feelings into you?
Correct.
No. Hence, very individualized also.
Mm,
So, a trained music therapy practitioner would take care of all these factors while devising a plan.
mm,
And then it will be executed also accordingly, looking at the state, emotional state, and the need of the individual on the given day as well.